For the first few years of business, most companies are focused on survival. However, prioritizing the growth of your business is one of the best ways to increase the chances that your company will not only last but also contribute to your economic well-being and a stable financial future. In today's video, we would be talking about best tips to make your business grow in no time. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. What can you do to get your business beyond the bare sustenance level? What can you do to turn it into the income-generating powerhouse you envision? Like any element of running a business, there are multiple growth strategies that you can try. 1. Choose the right growth strategy for your business. Finding the right growth strategy depends on the stage your business is in and the resources you currently have available. Consider what you have to invest, such as money, time, expertise, or personnel, as well as your current market, business goals, and the interests of your customers. Not every strategy will be right for every business or appeal to every business owner. To get started, pick 1 or 2 ideas that are appropriate for your business and your circumstances. Create a new business plan based on that strategy. Set benchmarks for growth, expenses, and revenue. Track these benchmarks regularly to monitor your progress. While you probably won't experience growth right away, you will see progress if you continue to implement your plan systematically and consistently. And if one strategy doesn't work, be prepared to step back, create a new plan, and try again. 2. Recapture existing customers. Getting new customers isn't the only way to grow your business. Many times, the customers you already have are your best bet for increasing your sales. And studies have found that improving customer retention also improves the value of a company. Customers who have already purchased from you once are more likely to do so again, especially if they have a positive customer service experience. Capture the contact information and shopping preferences of one-time customers. Then, use that information to set up marketing systems that will convert them into repeat customers. Note, implementing a mix of strategies to both retain old customers and acquire new ones is likely to produce the best growth for most businesses. 3. Ask for referrals. Of course, attracting new customers to your business is never a bad approach. One way to do that is to ask your current customers for referrals. These customers are already your target market, which means that people in their social or work circles are likely to be your target market as well. This makes them a strong access point to new customers. However, assuming that your customers are passing the word about your business isn't going to increase your customer base. You have to actively seek referrals. Depending on the type and size of your business, you can. Ask satisfied customers if they know anyone else who would be interested in your products or services. Incentivize referrals with a discount code. Encourage customers to share and tag your brand on social media. 4. Contain your costs. Increasing your bottom line is key to growing your business. If you expand your share of the market but continue to increase your costs, you won't actually have any money left to invest in your business or make a profit. So while you're looking for ways to grow, pay close attention to the costs associated with running your business and getting your products or services to customers. Lowering these costs can be an effective way to give your business the cash flow it needs to grow and stabilize. There are 2 main approaches to cutting costs: liquidating low-earning products or eliminating low-performing services. Improving your inventory turnover through new marketing and sales tactics. Note, be careful not to cut costs in a way that impacts your customer service or employee satisfaction. Happy customers and enthusiastic employees are both key drivers of business growth. Cutting costs in these areas will ultimately harm your business ability to expand, even if they give you more cash flow in the short term. 5. Diversify your products or services. The key to growing your business through diversification is building on similarities. You want to do one of 2 things. Focus on products/services related to the ones you already sell that address the needs of the customers you already serve. Focus on new market segments with similar needs and characteristics to your existing customers. For example, an artist might also sell frames and framing services. A business that rents mountain bikes in the summer might switch to renting skis and snowshoes in the winter season. Implementing small changes over time can allow you to diversify your products and reach new customers without overextending your business. 6. Participate in trade shows. A strong trade show presence can help you grow your business and establish yourself as a leader in your local industry. Trade shows draw people who are already interested in the type of product or service you offer. This gives you an opportunity to directly market toward a large group of people who are guaranteed to be in your target audience. Trade shows also give you the benefit of in-person interaction, which increases your ability to connect with and convert potential customers. Trade shows also allow you to network with other businesses in your industry. This opens the door to new opportunities, promotional campaigns, and collaborations. 7. Extend your market reach. There are several ways of growing your business by making your product or service available to a new pool of customers. Open stores in new locations. Target a new demographic. Encourage new uses for your product. I hope this video would accelerate your business growth. All the best for your business growth. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.